Toastmaster Omkar for such a warm introduction and a very warm morning to all my fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. After hearing the icebreaker speech of Bhavika, I was trying to oversee the reaction of all of you after hearing my speech. So let's start. So, can you all imagine our world without communication? That's what I tried to do when I was trying to write my speech. And actually, we human beings, we have the biggest power. In fact, we as a human being, any nation in the world is having the biggest weapon is the communication if it is used properly. Our mother nature is also communicating us with the climate change, the symptoms of climate change we are witnessing. So let's discuss about my communication style. So the first communication style is direct communication, and most of the time I use this style to convey what the work I want to get it done from my team members. But let me tell you what I was thinking in this pace of doing it all. I've already mentioned so many times in my previous speeches, being a mother, being a profession, and a passionate someone who want to achieve her dream. Most of the time, I try to run away from one activity to another. Most of the time, I do not give time and attention to my loved one, my friends, and that's what I was realizing and introspecting when I was thinking about my speech, my communication style. From last 2 years, it has never happened that I have given my heart and soul to any of the conversation with my family member or any of my friends. So, I am very grateful to this opportunity of speaking and brainstorming about my communication style. Moving ahead, the next one is the initiative communication style. As it was mentioned by Toastmaster Omkar that she finds the traits of initiative communicator, and that's what I am finding when I am in the professional gathering, in our meetings. But from the start, I was an introvert and a shy person, and opposite to that, I am trying to do so to approach people and the new members to have that network of friends and to know each other. And apart from being professionally and in the social circle, I use this initiative technique of communication with my life partner Abhishek, because he is the kind of a person who speaks exact word to his need, not a word excess, not a word less. So when you hear our conversation, it is more like a Q&A session rather than a chit-chat of a husband and wife. Moving ahead, then there comes the supportive communication style, and when I was thinking about this style of communication, the only thing which came into my mind is our Toastmasters meeting, where for the first time in my life, I found people supporting me in communicating, not only supporting me, but the other members of the club, the guests, those are joining us to prosper in their communication and public speaking style. My scoring of the assignment given suggests that I am the person of direct and analytical communication style, and that's what I feel, because I have never found myself initiating or supporting anyone rather when it was actually needed, as I have mentioned in the professional and social gathering. Then moving ahead, the last, analytical communication style. This, as I mentioned, as my score suggests, I am a direct and analytical communicator, and so I use this style most of the time when I am communicating with the new client or the existing client to explain with the facts and figures what actually work I am doing for them. And they use the same analytical communication style when I ask them for the fees to pay, with the reason of analytics that why it should be delayed with a week or further time. When, if you remember that initiative communication style I use with my husband to take revenge of that, I use the analytical style of communication. When he has any new plan for our family, I take all the facts and figures for that decision to be made, and he needs to do all of that sort of a thing. When I am mentioning about the communication style, my speech will be incomplete without mentioning the style of communication I am using with my kids. Irrespective of the style I am using, I feel they understand the language of love. And in company of them, I feel like they are the best teacher to explain how to get things done. In this world where the power of communication and negotiation is very vital to succeed in most of the field. And to conclude my speech, as I have mentioned, the communication is the biggest weapon any person or nation can use to get anything done, and the biggest example of it is our very own leader, respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. With that, I wish you all a very best to use